Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome in, good morning. You have not checked out Yasko? Check him out, it's pretty good. I like it. He does some ghost hunting stuff, activities and whatnot. Hauntings and abandoned shit. So, yeah. But nonetheless, guys, I always say that, don't I? I always say that. I feel like nonetheless, guys, like some kind of fake superhero or something. Let me get this stuff out my pockets. Oh, okay. On the way to get, you know what? I kind of enjoyed the NOS yesterday. I had 2 NOSes. They were cheaper than the Red Bulls, I'll tell you that. So we'll probably go ahead and scrape up another 2. We'll see y'all at the gas station, guys. Peace. We have arrived. Yeah. Morning, sir. Let me get 2 NOSes again.
2 what?
Yeah, 2 NOSes.
2 NOSes.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Have a good one. All right, guys. We just now pulled up. I'm gonna leave. No, I won't leave there. I was thinking about it, but nah, I'm not. Pero. All right, let's head over. Let's see if we can get a door unlocked. I already know the front's gonna be locked just because it doesn't have a doorknob. So we're gonna go around the side. Hopefully the other side is gonna be unlocked. If anything, it's gonna be the back garage door that'll be unlocked. And the dude took the spot, they're pouring concrete, so we gotta fill all these posts. Excuse me, this door. Oh my god, no way, dude. What the fuck? Is it this door? They locked everything, didn't they? Oh, thank God. Yay. Cool. So this is what we're working with. Painter still ain't taking the damn tape off, so that's no problem. It's a problem, but no problem. Yeah, how far did they get yesterday? Damn, Victor kills this shit, bro. Yeah, dude, Victor kills that. He's good. And then he's got to do the master next. I think, I'm pretty sure the master's getting tile. Oh yeah, he's already prepping to go. Yep, work his way out. Dang. And then Marcelino killed the freaking shower, guys. This thing is beautiful. Oh wait, I don't know if he's still working on it. I'll put a walk up in that bitch. All right, we got a door open, so let's get some stuff off the truck and come back in. It's cold. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy. And we're gonna try to skate around the cul-de-sac till Peter shows up. No, I'm just bullshitting. We're gonna, is that gonna interfere? Okay, cool. We are gonna sweep up and get this prep for the brooms. I don't know if it's like grease enough. It could definitely use more. Let me get some more in there. Bah, 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 bah. That's so much fucking better. Okay. Get our little skateboard lesson. I don't think I need the fucking, nah, I'm not gonna need the small broom right now. Okay. Oh, what's that? Okay. Clean up a little bit to make room for the oven, and also to get rid of that mess. I'm sorry, Victor, that you had to go through that. So, do I have my other? Yeah. So we'll be right back, guys. Gonna get this swept up and looking nice. Looking like we ain't been here yet. That we're still waiting. Nah, I doubt we're gonna get that good, but we're gonna get it pretty good. We're gonna try to. Damn, I didn't notice that big gap. What the fuck? Huh. Alright guys, we got the oven inside. We got everything hooked up. We got our pile already right there. We're gonna take some trash boxes out, but I just don't know if we're gonna dump them in this trash can or the other trash can, because we gotta get the other one dumped out. But for the meantime, let's unbox this bad boy. Wish it came in a full box. So we could throw all this away, but it didn't. That's okay. I'll show you all in a second when this is all wrapped up and taken off. So okay, we got the oven off, all unpackaged, door off. The door's right there. All the components are right there on the island, so we can make it lighter for the transition. We got about 2 feet. Yeah, we got about like 2 feet to pick up on this one, so we're gonna have to heave that hoe. But right now we're about to get the box in. So a trick with these, burn a starter hole. Oh, this already got it. Never mind. We're good. But usually, like if it doesn't, if it's hard to get your, like, just burn it. Just sit there and just put your bit on the side at an angle and just run it. And it should just burn a little hole. Not all the way through, but it'll burn a rivet so you can slide that in there way easier. This is the wire we ran yesterday before the end of the day. And we're just gonna go right like so. The reason we had to rerun a wire is because this particular oven is a microwave oven. So the power we had originally for it was a 10-3 rated for just a single double. Okay, that's ready. I'll show you the burn hole trick, watch. Burn the hole. That way it's easier to... So now we're good. We gotta get this stripped out and ready. Oh my gosh, I don't have my knife. Holy crap, that's gonna suck. Oh, that's gonna suck all day. All day long, that's gonna suck. Not like pinch. Yeah. I'm about to do that, I hate that. Ew. Sorry, guys. Alright, after like 20 minutes of messing with my strippers, we got it stripped out. Okay. Alright, we got the oven in there. Or not mounted in there, but in its place, situated, waiting. Either for Peter or Annabelle to show up, whoever comes first, they can help me get that in there. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and find a big box so we can throw that stuff away and start making some room. Yeah, that ain't. Ooh, that's a big box. But there's a hole in it. Oh, ours now. I wonder if it was Maldo's. They're doing that house next door. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
How you doing? How you doing? That was a tight spot, bro. You made it good. Fuck yeah. Hell yeah. There ain't nobody here. Again. Nobody's here. Yeah.
Oh, for real?
I swept up the whole thing, got the oven there. Fucking, I just needed help like getting it up, but Annabelle ain't here yet either. So I don't know. Oh, I didn't know where to dump this, bro. I don't know where to dump it because Jay said he's gonna call for the dumpster, but I don't know if we can use the other one because the other one's empty. So I'm gonna tell him, like, well, let's just throw it over there. But yeah. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's gonna be freaking cool. It's not as heavy. Yeah, it's not as heavy. Considering it's just a single with a microwave, because it's the double ovens that we have.
Oh,
Those are freaking heavy, dude. But I measured it. I think it's gonna fit perfectly. So.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's 41 1/4, and from the trim to the top, it's 41 1/4, and then we have enough leg spacing at the bottom for this little space. So this is gonna overlap the top just right. Hell yeah. Let's see, let me get this off real quick. Boom. What was that?
Folded.
Yeah, I know, dude. I was like, okay. I wonder if we'll have to bring it around to that side.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Let's see. Move this. And then we'll tilt it forward. I don't think the door's gonna open, so yeah, we'll be good. And there's like more room for error. Alright, ready, bro? Yeah. Oh, I need that back. Okay, got that corner. Right. You got your corner? Alright, let me get behind it. Alright, cool. Oh, that's just right. You look how much room we got. That's perfect. Okay.
Oh, hell yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Bigger?
Oh, yeah, this is.
Am I in?
What about that side?
A
Is it
little
still
bit.
open on this side?
A little bit. Here, let's... There we go. There we go. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's way better.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking nice. That's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, that's cool as shit. I bet you could make fries in there because they even have a little spot like for fry, like a, what is it? A deep frying pan, it looks like. Yeah.
Oh, I was about to say, oh, shoot, if it has like an air fryer.
Shit, I wouldn't doubt it.
This one is an air fryer, though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's where, okay, that's where that fry tray goes in that one. Hell yeah. I wonder if it's loud. Shoot. That's extra. Okay. Current situation here in the attic.
I bet you that's animal.
Let's see.
Yep.
Is it? Ah! Are you still at that trim out?
Hello? Oh, we're at the trim out. Oh, you sure? Why not? Oh.
What do you say?
He's gonna be on his way. He will go because he feels like crap.
Oh my god. We're getting a kickback spot. Ugh. Straight chilling. Why is there a junction up here?
Oh, we have to move some wires, bro.
I just look, I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah. Oh, you're right there. Peekaboo. Nah, let me give it zone. And that's what these are for. Bing. Next round. Boop. Void space. There's a lot of missed opportunity for an extra fucking shelf up here. Check these prints. That one jumps with these, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Goddamn. Okay. Cool. Alright guys, picking up from here, we got kicked out. There's not much we could do. There's still so much tape on the walls. The tile's still being done in the master bathroom. We're just gonna wait on this one, but we're hopping across the street, again started over there, seeing what all we can get done with. I'm gonna put that light up because I'm not gonna need it. But yeah, that's where we're gonna go and see what happens. I'll be hopping back and forth. Notice. Get this the fuck off my trip. Stand up. yeah, it is. I opened the window for us in this bedroom. Yeah. I went back there, I was like, fuck.
And then I heard you over here, I was like, what the? Oh,
yeah. Small. Excuse me, miss. Huh?
oh, I thought you were scissors.
Oh no, that was edible. Yeah. Alright guys, that is it for today. We're taking off a little bit early just to take care of some errands. So we'll see y'all bright and early tomorrow. Nonetheless guys, I want to thank y'all for tuning into this Twisted Texan session. Until next time, y'all stay blessed and twisted. Peace.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, cooking up dope in the crock pot.